This video tutorial will guide you through adding doors and windows in InteriorBox 3D, showing you how to place and customize these elements on your plan. If the draft of your room plan is ready, let's add a door. In the Project tab, click the Add a Door button. The library offers a variety of options, including standard doors, arches, double doors, arched doors, and even garage doors. To add a door, navigate to the Standard Doors section and choose a size. Click Add to Scene and place the door where you need it. The program will automatically show the distance between the door and the corners of the room. You can also immediately set the direction the door opens. Simply click on the yellow circle and drag it to your desired orientation. Go to the Properties menu to modify the door parameters. You can adjust the door's dimensions and go to the Position tab to set its precise spatial coordinates. You can also alter the size and thickness of the door frame and choose to hide the threshold or make the door appear open. To change the door's appearance, click the Edit button on the door image. A new window will display numerous design options for both entry and interior doors. Choose your preferred design and click Apply. You also have the ability to customize the materials for the door frame and handles. Now let's see how to add windows. Go to the Project tab and click the Add a Window button. The program features various window types, such as single and multi-section windows, balcony windows, arched windows, and panoramic windows. Select the desired option and click Add to Scene. Place the window where you want it. You can also adjust the window's height above the floor. Use the blue arrow next to the model on the 3D plan. Then go to the Properties tab. You can specify the width and height, adjust the elevation, and set the spatial coordinates in the neighboring tab. Go back to the Size and Design tab to set the frame width and depth. To change the design, click on the Material in the Colors section. The built-in catalog allows you to select a suitable color or choose a textured option, such as wood. Visit the official website to learn more about the features of InteriorBox 3D.